I'm Robert Resnikoff, a senior tutor and teacher at Ivy Bound. I teach critical reading, writing, literature, grammar, public speaking, acting, virtually any subject having to do with verbal communication. My background includes writing and editing publications for the New York Philharmonic and other cultural institutions, writing college tests in English composition and American government, writing and hosting radio programs, and acting in plays and movies. I've been teaching for almost 20 years, and I've taught students from middle school right up through graduate school. The quality of my teaching that's so successful, I believe, is that in addition to teaching my students how to earn high scores and high grades, I teach them how to learn and why to learn. I help my students realize the fun and joy of discovery and understanding so that our sessions together can be something to look forward to for both of us.